wakas pala ay ano. Ayaw-ayaw pa ako.
Okay, wanitan nyo tapos sa tayo.
Dahil sa iyo, puso kong ito'y nabihag mo. Ala-ala ka, maging gabit araw. Alipinin mo, walang kailangan. Marinig ko lang sa labi mo hirang na ako'y iibigin lagi habang buhay.
Datan, binanitan na sa pagsasalan tayong kapsat. Okay, dating na sunatan kasalanan namin nga maya. Nagitinabsob, nagitinagawid at supli kayo.
Nagitinagawid ako tipinggan yung supli yun po.
Nagkana sinabiyag no si kaating tay mabuybuyak. Tagus sa mabangaran, kaunggan, tay tirik na. Naminta-pintas mo, awan pang ipadaan. Isut mang kayaw, day to'y mariklik na. Day tanga isesem mo, ay pudno, ama kapiyak. Kasla alinuno, takalid mo, ako sunada.
Takutis mo kasla,
mangyayari ka. Sikat sabong, murmuray day to'y mata. Nagpintas, gano adik, haglalo, no sikat tumis-isip. Nagpintas, gano adik, itat ko, napagbingi nga isip.
lama bali na po ti sumala.
Nagkana sinabiyag no si kaading tay mabuybuya. Tagus sa mabangaran, kaunggan, tay tirik na. Naminta-pintas mo, awan pang ipadaan. Isut mang kayaw, day to'y marikrik na. Kay tanga isesem mo, ay pudno, ama kabiyak. Kasla alinuno, dakalit mo, ako sunada. Takutis mo kasla, porselan at pangyayari ka. Sikat sabong, murmuray day to'y matag. Nagpintas, kano adik, haglalo, no sikat tumis-isip. Nagpintas, kano adik, ipatay ko, naapagpingi nga isip. Nagpintas, kano adik, haglalo, no sikat tumis-isip. Nagpintas, kano adik, ipatay ko, naapagpingi nga isip. Ipatay ko, naapagpingi nga isip. Okay, dito yung sunata ko para katagiti amin, sang sangailing, ganang kabuti, sang kapangkarayang, sang barangay, ito barangay Ligdong.
Yeah.
Okay, AK Breaking Heart po, L.A.W.O.G. Ganyan po kayo sa nato. Binaknitan data pagsasalan tayo. So yung antay-sayangan dito yung gundaway nga gragsak kamsat.
One.
Nung napalpaan kayo, nagsala kayo.
One.
Nung napalpaan kayo, managmahang kayo tumanang.
One na ka.
Adupay. Here we go. Malay mo nga eh. Agpa-premyo ni Madam. girl. You can burn my clothes when I'm gone. Or you can tell your friends just wanna ball and pen and laughing joke about me on the bar. You can tell my arms you back to the farm. You can tell my feet to hit the floor. Or you can tell my lips to tell my fingertips they won't be reaching out for you no more. Sala! But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it, understand. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Okay. Para katitig sala, baka ta-premyo na. Datani Apo Balikbayan, Los Biminda. Tani Ma'am Los Biminda from Japan.
Kagoshima ko na nang sadaga.
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu, nabsuk ako.
Tell your mom, I moved to Arkansas. You can tell your jug to pat my leg. Or tell your body, rubies can tell my lips. He never really liked me anyway. Or tell you what, Louise, tell anything you please. Myself already knows I'm not okay. Or you can tell my eyes to what's a form of mine. It might be walking out of me today. Here we go. Don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it on his head. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. Ala, sige, sama!
Buwan baka lapad ka no premyo.
Okay, get ready! Sama! But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it on the head. And if you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man. But don't tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, I just don't take it on the head. If you tell my heart, my achy breaky heart, he might blow up and kill this man.
Yes, another requested song.
Okay, meron po tayong special request. Selos daw po, selos.
Para ka naman po kadagitay agselselos nga awan kay
Selos.
level na. Dati ka na po di sonata para kanya yo. Dance Pro! Yeah!
Okay, sabay-sabay, mga bata, matanda. Here we go.
Tarwangan tayo nga nakatrain. Wow!
At ano mapalpantay ka, mangantay tumanan.
Sa tuwing nakikita ko, magkasama na tayo.
Okay, sabay-sabay.
Naiinis ako, nasisira ang araw ko. At di ko alam bakit pa nagkaganda. Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugog at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo.
Hala, sige!
Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi
Teka lang nga, nata-preview na.
nagsasalasan siya. Bakit ba siya ang bakit di na lang ako? Sadyang nasasaktan kahit di rin naman tayo. Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisilip ang dibdib ko. Sa ating nakikita, parang katabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pasensya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako? Ang puso ko'y nagdurugo at parang sumisilip ang dibdib ko. Sa tuwing nakikita ko na magkatabi tayo. Kahit di naman tayong dalawa ay lagi na lang pinagseselosan siya. Bakit ba siya at bakit di na lang ako? Another dance for all. O, Terwa Mangkal. Yeah.
Oh, Babylon, Babylon. Teras na panugan.
Okay.
By the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down.
Yeah.
Everywhere. When I remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Everywhere.
O, go mother.
When I remember Zion, when the wicked gave us away, captivity requires from us a song.
Yeah.
Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in an Australian land? When the wicked gave us away, captivity requires from us a song. Now how shall we sing the Lord's song in an Australian? Naganak sigurado. La la la.
La 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 la
Here tonight, let the words of our mouth and the meditations of our heart be acceptable in thy sight. Here tonight, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will. When I remember Zion, by the rivers of Babylon, there we sat down. Yeah, yeah, we will. When I remember Zion. Okay. Alpas ti Babylon, tiyatya ka numag. Tiyatya, mother. Tiraman, mother tayo ko. Atras sa bantay.
Adan sama, dagiti ka batch ni Ma'am Luz Viminda.
What?
Ada ma'am?
Oh,
Ka
yun.
batch mo po?
Kabats niya. Hello po.
Ada ti ka batch mo po?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Elementary ka no apo. Daycare nga ma'am, awan.
Kabats na tayo, daycare.
Yan, so, may saman ka no apo nga chat-chat. Idalwan man apo dagiti ka batch ni Ma'am Luz Viminda all the way from Kagoshima, Japan. Arigato gozaimasu, nabsog ako.
Arigato, nagimas chigado.
So, 5.
Okay, Chacha. Datapay kayo kabas-sabay siguro ni Mamay. Mamay, sige kabas na.
Oh, may sapo nga Chacha. Awan apo tagi shot mo di kayo nga Chacha.
Ay, tangad nyo pa. Tanong may jay, pakakam yaw.
Wow. Madam Los Biminda, ang tangagiwarte arak no di magsala. Yeah.
Let me love you, Carmelita. Tonight. Let me love you, Carmelita. You don't know what I'm going through. It's not fun the way I'm dancing. My heart is racing. We love you.
Yeah.
Love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet my bottom peso and your recessor will kiss again. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet Carmelita I will have to beg again.
Galing kayo na aksal lagi di ka-batch ni Mang Los Biminda.
Did you not let me tell you that it isn't right to kiss? I'm a man and you're a woman. It's only human to want is sweet. Let me love you, Carmelita. Just one tender kiss and then I will bet my bottom peso and your recessor will kiss again. Cha-cha-cha!
Yan, naglalaing da po.
Pero may naglingod na.
Sabsabali sa dadya inumun da damam tata. Kaslamot tay fresh milk ti langana. Ngam sabali apo nga fresh milk dayjay. Tay mo makaulaw sa tigasa mo tamam. Oh. Para matapo ka dagiti adda dito ta.
Giti nag-serve, dagiti.
Oh, dagiti ka naman tapo nag-serve. Ipayan da kay apo iti may nga balse. Sumalamat apo dagiti mayat nga adda dito
Okay.
isang wanan apo.
Tira man natay kwa. Agararuyot nga balasay.
Oh, may isa apo nga balse. Dance for all. Nagsabog kinayat ay patigasa. Nagsabog kiniriw datuok kinriga. Awala
Mauray ko nga kaasiganyan nudilain talang ang mamabuy-buya.
Manibod pa'y irisikatay pimana. Binilbilang ko tipit kati inanda. Sa nga pulo kitaluti mapilang iti mayo. Simapit kambyang ko dakal tabuksit mo. Ala, bibigyan man o siyakmet na daigdig. Inkain pidag-pidag sirok sa lamagi. Ang siyang sangit ay di pusok no, malaglagit ko dagidi. Daidi, ayan-ayan sirok sa lamagi. Binil bilang ko di pichati inaldaw. Sa nga pulukit taluti, mabilang iti mayo. Simbang pinkamil kudang kaltabuksit mo. Ala, bigbigin man na siyang medladaydi. Hinga, hinay ayat na luwa karkari. Ang siyang sangit na iti pusok mo, malaglagit ko dagidi. Daidi, ayan-ayan silog sa lamagi. Ang siyang sangit na iti pusok mo, malaglagit ko dagidi. Daidi, ayan-ayan silog sa lamagi. Yan, so another dance for all. Sisiwit.
Oh. Sisiwit. Sigurado, doon makamu sisiwit ito. Yung absat.
Yan, sumalami na po mamaya.
Ayan.
Na, tumakdal ni Alvin pa na ako.
Bakit na po absat. Sana tayo. Ada na rin mami. Awat doon dinukmaan. On ka ay ayama. Okay! Hintar mo taama. Asisiwit ko na aga. No kano o kumanyo. Pangatong tagsyapan mo. Kayan at imayo mo. Problemusan ka sa masar. Iso nga ang maanyo. Sa doon sisiwit ko. Sisiwit ko. Sisiwit ko. Lulumawa ang berperan ko. Sumuran luog kamanyo. Oh, taga-review na 500.
500 daw. Tasakong
Binungaamo.
Oh,
Okay.
500 pesos.
500 pesos. Di ka pa nagsara.
Ah, napandan ko na.
Matudan.
Oh, kasonggat.
May salang ti mga abak, ma'am. Oh. Oh, nasa
500 pesos.
500. Sige. Nalayin nyo. Oh, 500 pesos. Tira, madam. Ala, sige. Okay, matudan.
Nay, nakabaduda mo ta. Langayin mo daw.
Ah, hey.
Sige, tira.
Imoy ko pinisita, ikaw di sukbot na. Ay nangitlog si Dua, maam-amaan siya. Matudan? Sige. Robion yung maam-am mo, mampakada kayo. Sige! Tapno maog kumanyo, sa doon sisiwit ko. Sisiwit, sige!
Oh,
Sisiwit lulumawa
Sana.
berberan ko.
Anti ka naman nakagarinig-giling mo.
Sumura luod ka man yung nasa ko. Di ng paa mo sisiwit ko, sisiwit ko. Lulumawa berberan ko. Oh, pagitna, pagitna. Wala! Sumuran. Saya-saya. Anda na nga pa ka. Luog gaman yung
Tarapan ate.
nasa ko. Di ng paa mo basa ko. Sige! Di ng paa mo.
Tera, anti ka nakagawin. Nakasara on pa ising.
Okay.
Yan. Pasensya kayo na po, walang kano, joke lang kano ajay.
Announcement, ma'am. Ma'am, mayroon po tayong
Ma'am.
Okay, so dito apo ti rolls tayo. Ay, ibaga ni mama. Sino ma'am? No, sino kano apo ti mapili dato ubing ni Bebe Riwa? No, sino kano apo ti pilihan na nga nagsala kanya yukot isot na nga bak apo.
Maminsan pa eh.
May maminsan pa.
Minsan pa.
Pilihan na.
Dayang.
Pilihan. Ala.
Dayang.
Agore ka. Agpili pa'y apo jo ubing. So amin apo nga nagsala, agpili isuna.
May sapay nga sala, santog pili. Naya, damo mangi Shakti Pilium kung kuna
Ma'am, i-guide mo. Tapno ito doon na day Jay kwa. Ma'am Trixie. Ma'am Trixie? I-guide mo ma'am, tapno pilyan na day Jay,
Kalaingan. Nay.
Jay, sumali iti grand
Ang
finals.
mga pilyon di kabagya, mabalasa. Oh.
Oh, okay na daw.
Misa pa. Ito moment. Santog pili.
Ala, nangag ko yung bagada.
Misa pa.
Kuna na antikot kwa, pilyon na anak ko, ta ilibrikan to. Kuna na.
Awa natin kinastaan mo.
Okay, one more time pa ito po.
May sabay.
Amin sabay po.
Ipapati yun.
One. May madating manukkaw.
Adaywan nyo ato, Beng. Apay, bubungin nyo sakot.
Kayo.
Adaywan nyo. Paligas kayo.
May madating manukkaw. Dahil nakasaraon.
Mabutang danay.
Hey!
Awat kong tinukma.
Sala.
Kung ka ay ayaman. Kung kamay. Apay, diba? Hintaro. Daamaak. Asisiwit ko na ata. No gumanyo. No kayan at imayo. Isumaan yo sa doon sisiwit ko. Okay, sabay. Okay lang ang pilay. Sisiwit ko. Sisiwit ko. Lulumawa purpuran ko. Sumuran luog gamanyo dasa ko. Di ng paa mo. Okay. Sana anyo nga bulang-lang ang tao ba mabutang nakaipilyaw eh.
No, Shakti sikas, Shakti pilyaw.
Ito yung nga ito pagpiliamon panasa.
One.
Hala! William di kasayatan di sala na nakaw. Amo nga pipiliin ni Inang Mau.
Sisiwit ko lulumawa burburan ko sumura luog kamanyo nasa ko tinampaamo tinampaamo.
Ayan. Uri ka. Nya tipil yung balasang. Sino ti kalaingan kanya da? Pilyo mo.
Agkod, anti agkod-kod-kod mo. Awang kano ko na naman.
Sinsinyasan naka-greenan. Agpilikan balasang, sino ti mga bak kanya da?
Asigam day jay nangabak nak ko.
Ay, ingkay ito daw, nasigam. Ingkarako pa nang. Awan sa mo tipilin na, baka dito yung ato din nangabak.
Sinaw.
Sinaw. Ni mami na, tulungan mo ading ka.
Ni Madam ti ano.
Tulungan mo, tanay. Ang sa mo makapilin, talaga dumot di. Sino, anak? Oh, yun. Yung nakablow? Yung nakablow? Ay, yung nakablow! Ay, awan tag sakit tinakom na
Nay.
Yun, anti na magayam. Nanti na magayam ng abak. Claim your price. Kani Madam Los
500 pesos.
500 pesos. 300 tima pang kanyam, 200 kanyame. Yung rin nagrigit tagkanta.
Tag 50 ta, sangagasot di pianista.
Kanya ba iti kayo po? Ning?
Ana?
Nya iti kayo bang?
Budots.
Budots. Paisaw. Ikag pati nga kayong rodal, hintay kang dakiti gundawa, kag sala. Budots. Ang kayag ditinuron out bang? Tira!
Hanggang agin na si Daga, agin na dayo kayo. Agin na dayo kayo. Agin na dayo kayo pa. Kami nga i-play music no di kaya agin na dayo.
Lamigit din na.
Agin na dayo kayo, anak.
Mas agin na kayo.
Hanggang nga agdidig ka.
Love in the mix.
Ulo sa tanay.
One mo tunay. Okay, thank you so much, Juan. Nasa kanta kami pa'y para kadagiti aanti, Juan. Yan, sumaysama na apo nga balse, idaulwan man apo, dagiti kabagyan ni Ma'am Luz Biminda. Yan, sumisapay po nga pansa sa amin to kantaan mga padagiti request yun po.
ayan mo, kailiw ko para tarakot mo. Sapay kuma, kamalagip mo, di aktorong original nga bakat mo.
Kayo
Biyag ko, anyan nga iliw ko, gabot na unday panawin pikaawan mo. Sapay kuma, nanaragsak tutibong wayenta, tutumpen ti tiyempo. Hello, mahal, kumusta ka? Nabayag laibig, hati ka nagkita. Sapay kuma, ay kutak sublika, tapno paparwen ka, di ayat anakel ka. Hello mahal, sa dinti ayan mo, kailiw ko para tarakot mo. Sabay kuma, kamalagip mo, di aktorong original nga kapit mo. Biyag ko, hanyan nga iliw ko, gabot na unday panawin ti kaawan mo. Sapay kuma, tanaragsak tutibong wayenta, tutumbing ti tiyempo. Hello mahal, kumusta ka? Nabayag lang idin, hadita nagkita. Sapay kuma, ayat ko nagsuplika, tapno paparwenta, di ayat na nakeltay. Sapay kuma, tasumangpet ka.
Yan, so dapat may isang request dito eh. That's what friends are for. Okay po. Yan, so peace for all po. Yan, so i-YouTube ko apo
Never thought I'd feel this way, as far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you.
And if I should ever go away, will you close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today? And then if you can remember,
keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Well, you came in, opened me, and now there's so much more I see. And so by the way, I thank you then for the times when we're apart.
Well, you close your eyes and know these words are coming from my heart. And then if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. In good times, in bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. Keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Keep smiling, keep shining,
Knowing you can always count
on me.
for
For
sure. That's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for.
Yan, so data po request yung That's What Friends Are For. Another requested song, Ever Since the World Began. Yan, so pa-shoutout po, Jing and Nalin from Qatar. Happy birthday daw po, Ma'am Luz. Baga ni Ma'am Jennifer Lorena Valdez. Kilala niyo po? Ah, okay po. Another requested song, Ever Since the World Began. I never know what brought me here. As if somebody led my hand. It seems I hardly had to stay. My course was planned, and destiny it guided us all, and by its hand we rise and fall, but only for a moment, time enough to catch our breath again. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan. One life catches the other, it's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together, we travel through as far as we can, and we have waited for this moment in time, ever since the world began. Taking in the times gone by, we wonder how it all began. We never know and still we try to understand. And even though the seasons change, the reasons shall remain the same. It's love that keeps us holding on so we can see the sun again. And we're just another piece of puzzle, just another part of the plan. And we have waited for this moment in time ever since the world began. And I stand alone, a man of stone, against the driving rain. And tonight has got your number, and the wind it cries your name. And we suffer close, we don't lose. In this we're all the same. The hope still burns eternal. We're the keeper of the flame. And we're just another piece of the puzzle, just another part of the plan. I want life touches the under. It's so hard to understand. Still we walk this road together. We try to go as far as we can. And we have waited for this moment in time ever since the world began. Yan sa tatapo diri kasi nga ever since the world began. Okay, so may sapay apo nga Dance for All, Touch by Touch. Yan, so sumarsaron to apo dagiti request yo nga daduma. Okay, another Dance for All, Touch by Touch, requested song.
Okay, salamat naging patch ni Mang Luz Biminda. Surutan namin nga maya. Here we go!
Yeah! Viewers niya po, magaling niya po sa sumana ditayan nyo. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much for watching. Mr. and Mrs. Torda, and of course, Mr. Narvi Dasalia.
When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side,
Yeah!
in the love you gave to me makes my heart beat. When my fears fly away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat.
Here we go!
Do it, push to do it, night and day.
Night and day.
You're my old time lover. Do it, push to do it, in a way,
In a way.
like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my old time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Hey! Sayaw mga to. When my heart is full of love, it makes me a turtle dove. Not the game that we play, night and day.
Day, night and day.
When our love is pure and bright, it's our way to see the light. There is a fire in our hearts, night and day.
Here we go!
Do it, push it, do it, night and day.
Night and day.
You're my old time lover. Do it, push it, do it, in a way, like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my old time lover. Come under my cover, do it, twist it, do it, night and day. You're my old-time lover, do it, twist it, do it, in a way, like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my old-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Okay, keep on dancing another record.
One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the moon. Two-train, trucking down the track, gotta travel though, he never coming back. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the moon. Baby's leaving me. Now only teardrops are all that I can see. Ooh, got a one-way ticket to the blues. Gonna take a trip to lonesome town. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. I pull such a sigh, there never was. I cry, I feel so weird. One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the moon. Gonna take a trip to lonesome town. Gonna stay at Heartbreak Hotel. I'm full of such anxiety, there never was. I cry, I feel so well. One-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket, one-way ticket to the blues.
Okay, keep on dancing another swing, 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 pop, swing. Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtitingin natin. Sa dinaan na magwakas, itong awit ng pag-ibig, awit natin. Ay huwag na huwag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpagkailanman ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pangdalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko. Awitin mo at isasayaw ko.
Okay, thank you so much po. Yan, so dagito'y apo nga sumarunong kantaan mi kat kanta apo kano nga paborito ni friend me nga Flora Laisi ay ito ma'am Flora Laisi Villamar nga awan kanon iso na apo. Isagot na dagiti batch na ti elementary aglalo ni Luz nga iso ti best friend na. Wow, ay awan iso nan ma'am. Ay natayan, ay sige po.
Another requested song.
Yan. So pagsasarunuan men apo dagiti request yo po nga 5 para kini Daydi Ma'am Flora Liza Villamar. Wonderful sound.
All this but good song. As I write this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my pain. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all the sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just wanna hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? My love, why ever did we part?
Yan, that wonderful sound. And another requested song, My Love Will See You Through. Yan, so dagiti apo nga kanta, isagot na po dagiti batch na ti elementary, aglalo ka na po ti best friend na ni Ma'am Luz Bimenda. Manag will see you through. Yan, so continue to rest in peace, Ma'am Flora Liza Villamar.
Another requested song. When times get rough and it rains just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on. Be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm to the cold this night, to the rain, to the storm. When friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless, you don't know what to do, I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When the tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need the shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on and faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. For your star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you, and everything you do, and every step you make, and every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through.
Another requested song. And it's another requested song, Count on You. When I think like the world's gone mad and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've spurred at the moon, and we've counted a million stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I'm still at this once before, and they made me blue. All alone in my heart I know there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you. Count on you to be there. No questions in the air. No asking why or when. No looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind. And you are very important to me, my miracle find. If I have to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Oh, yan ang keyboard, my one and only Mr. Toyda. yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can count on you. And another requested song, Through the Years. And Through the Years by Kenny Roger. Yan, so next in line po yung You Are the Reason. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I'll stay right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you told me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. Another requested song, You Are the Reason. Yan, so happy 381 viewers. Thank you po. Yan, so duet kami naman ng apo kini Mr. Narvi Dasalia.
There goes my heart, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now. There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I'm broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason. My heart keeps bleeding. I need you now. If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I spend every hour of every day keeping you safe. I climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I'm broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I'm broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. Yan, sa may sapay po nga duet para po katigiti batch nati elementary. Yan, so after all,
well, here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We've tried it on our own, deep inside would know we'd be back to set things straight.
And I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats, every step I take retreats, every journey always brings me back to you. Out to all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And out to all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. When love is truly right,
This time is truly right.
it lives from year to year. It changes as it goes. Oh, we know the way it grows, but it never disappears. After all the stops and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And out to all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. Oh, it's just beyond my touch. You know I needed you so much. After all, what else is living for? Oh, out to all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And out to all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. Up to all the stars and stars, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And up to all that we've been through, all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me, after all. Yan, so once again, rest in peace po, Ma'am Flora Lysy Villamar. So dagiti apo dagiti kanta ngayon sagot na dagiti ka-batch na elementary. Aglano ni best friend na Ma'am Luz Biminda all the way from Kagoshima, Japan.
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu. Nabsog ako ng higado.
Galing ko tayo. Alam na alam.
Yan, so may sama tapo nga balse. Gapot ta medyo emotional tayo. Apot at tayo. Agisam-isam tayo matapot ti balse tatawan. Agnguri-nguriit tayo apo. Tapno mawagwag amin nga mawagwag apo. Yan, so may sama nga kiso. Negative viewers na pa, isang kayo magkakwa. Isang mapakabiyagan at murmurida ito'y mata. Nuwisong makaahas ang diliwato'y kaungga. Isang maduti sa wena at isang makagura at isang marayawan na ka. Kaya isang pang magustukin ka. Uri at aaming kanya kaligan. Uri pa'y nuwag putong-putak. Uri pa'y nuwag paspasok nudak. Nuwis man nagrinak na pagmayan. Isip
isem, umisem ka man biyak ko, lawlawag ka, mantri parukong ko. Ang isem mo, isut mangay ayo, dahil pusok nagnuan tilindo.
Handa aming kanyang arigan, ore pa'y nuwag pupuntutan, ore pa'y nuwag paspasok nuda, Luis man nagrignak mapagmaya.
Isem, isem, umisem ka man biyag ko, lawlawag ka, manti parutong ko. Kaisem mo, isut mangay ayo, dahil pusok na buwan tilindo. Umisem ka man biyak ko, lawlawag ka, manto'y parukong ko. Kaisem mo, isut mangay ayo, dahil pusok na buwan.
Ay, agbalbalse na pedante ni. Okay, may sama na po nga balse.
Basta kamet kanya, denggem tuy aso, iliw tuy puso, nabayagla idin, hadita na ginili. Denggem tuy kutok, pitik tuy kukwak, aw-awakan na ka, denggem ka din ala. Kumay kato'y sibay, ti pusok ang may payapay, tapnon maepepan, hilagan senaan. Ililiwag ti karin yuni, ayat ti damdamo, ti nairod nga arakop, abuyugan ti asaso. Ililiwag di agit na samsam, igem sa kakulot. Asabayan ti apros, apapiras ti bukbukot. Asabayan ti apros, apapiras ti bukbukot. Baka na-request yung ma'am, makapasala? Ay, meron ba? Okay, pangururayan lagi tayo. Special request. Okay, mamaya po. Nusyak tuti agasawa, pelyekto tay adot dolyar na uray bakit anak kulkulbe. Hagpaisutay kunkunada, uray bakit na masulag agilwa nukudkudem ay kumayet ka. Ay wen kudkudem kumagat kudkudem na kanel. Aring kapen, ayat na ukal-ukal kita dahil di kuwak nakakantangkay.
Naku gusto, natangkang ka na.
Dahil kagat na alumabaga, nagkagat-gatil makaslaaba. Idem mo,
Ma'am Trixie,
buton di dyan kalor. Okay! Sige! Ayan, wag-wagin tayo na kinibagbagi tayo. Tapno maunawan tayo. Kayat kulaing entay bakla, entay babae nga gimurilya, tatay bakla, pasak mula magulimagdan. Entay babae abungang era, si Sigurado ba'y nga iskandalosa anang sabna mangag dito'y liptong
Sagutin kinukusaw.
I went kudong kumagat kudong nagatil hari kapag kaya tao kalokal kita
Lokal.
kutong nakadakdakal
Nakadakdak.
ay gagat na alumabaga nakagagat-gatel nakaslaaba hindi mo kutong tital-talo I went kudong kumagat kudong nagatil hari kapag kaya tao kalokal kita ay kutong nakadakdakal ay gagat na alumabaga nakagagat-gatel nakaslaaba hindi mo kutong tital-talo hindi mo kutong tital-talo dead na dead talaga ako sa mga pakimbot-kimbot mo kapag ikaw ay ngumingiti ako'y medyo nakikiliti kailangan ko ang iyong labi kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi kailan kaya kita maiuwi
Madamdama, madamdama.
ala
Madamdama.
noon pa man ikaw na talaga pangarap ko sa tuwi-tuwi na kailan kaya kita maihisyon kailan kaya kita maaakot kailangan ko ang iyong labi kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi kailan kaya kita maiuwi
Madamdama. Wow!
madamdama wow pahibo naman pahawak naman
No touch.
di na kita madansingan sige buge pag lumakad ka kas nakalampato kakabaliwang bewang mo ako'y nagdidyahin lumapit sa'yo masyado ka sa mga forma mo kailangan ko ang iyong labi kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi kailan kaya kita maiuwi
Madamdama. Wow.
madamdama pahibo naman pahawak naman di na kita madansingan kailangan ko ang iyong labi kailangan ko ang iyong pisngi kailan kaya kita maiuwi
Madamdama. Kunak madamdama. No punsyonan ti pagsasaritaan Tagaliptong iti number one
legit
Nakasaganan ta plastik ta bulsanan Nakasagana pa kay
oh 500 pa rin 500
Nagitugot pa iti anak na Turay dalaeng na lima Nawarasan anin suga
Son manen.
Iti buksit nan Agi sopot-sopot kampi di aldaw Agi sopot-sopot kampi rabii Agi sopot-sopot kampi binyagan Aglalo iti berjan Agi supot-supot kami pay Igado kinti nakdakan Agi supot-supot kami pay Agi supot kami pa ulo ti baboy. Agi supot kami ti aldaw. Agi supot kami ti rabi. Agi supot kami ti biniagan. Agi lalo iti berjan. Agi supot kami pa'y tinapay sinuman kan patukan. Agi supot kami pa'y anapot yung mabanin nga isupot damdama.
Wala may yawid may spam.
Nga spam nga. Nga. Tubleron nga.
Mabalinti spam, mabalin pa iti lapad. Na may sa nga din lapad.
Lapad ka no kung kuna naman.
Amom lapad. May day dyan.
May ato lapad ka niya kaon.
Dumagatang na nga spam.
Agi supot kami pa ti 3 in 1.
Sapagkat nangangagat
Tong pakitong itong alimango sa dagat. Malaki at masarap, mahirap mahuli sapagkat nangangagat. Ting 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 pikiteng itong ilimingi.
Nangabakan ma'am, nangabakan. O magkalaban na.
Likikit misirip mihiri sipigit ningingigit tang pakatang katang atang
Sarit si ubing nga basit. Ay basket. Nang ko nakabang-bangsit. Pinan ko nakasamsam.
Yan, thank you po Ma'am Sara.
Thank you ma'am.
Thank you Ma'am Sara.
Ito yung magami
Sura na nga ba? Ako magkalaban na, di sura na nga ba
Ay
ma'am?
sorry po. Ay ni Ma'am Sara. Sara all. Kuna na dahi di ko na ni Madam.
Sana all, ay Sara all din
Sana.
sangaw sa jilikudan na kislap.
Kislap ka na.
Kislap.
Kuna no tupad tatay dahi. Okay, so may sama na apong request.
Raka na iti batch ni Ma'am
Insurat
Los.
da apo itinabasa nga tisyo. Agyaman kam apo.
Nagsangitan dan sa data na ko.
Isun sa nagsangitan nyo tatay ma'am.
Kurasan yung tamot ni
Kakasta
Ilwa.
ka, agkas-kasta ka no ni ma'am. Nga ka pa request ko sana ko na.
Okay.
Dati
So
ka na.
nagsangit na data ti request na ni re-rebook ti biag ko
Ay,
kuna na.
sumalang gaya ng talagang sangitan datangabaan.
Siguro ko hindi ni agbabats da. Dati crush na siguro.
Why?
Ngam binasted da.
Okay, apo.
Re-rebook.
Dagiti ka no re-rebook ti biag da apo. Dito yung kanta nga para kanyayo. Ukis ti kamatis ko na sa daygan.
Amom lang arudan. Yagin ko na yan.
O para kano apo ka dagiti re-rebook ti biag da. Para kanyayo apo dito yung sonata. Nakiram-raman ko na lang sa ni Uncle. Yan, sabay-sama tapong ng Ilocano. Adya kun nawaya Ye mariribuken pailang day tuirig na Kastamet nga adang Sungsung batam itibiyang idadarigan iso nga pangaasim kadinta adaywan na panunutem kuma at puso alumdaan lukas bilang tasyak di mailawaan sikat dimtem ariribok to'y biyag ko nasimbeng a panuno itan ket naguriro jak mailimen nga dapanagayat ko ngem agamagak kaamok apang kay sagmaga idadarirat iso nga pangaasim kadinta adaywan na panunutem kuma ada puso alumdaan lukas bilang tasyak di mailawaan sikat dimtem ariribok to'y biyag ko nasimbeng naguriro jak mailimen nga dapanagayat ko ngem agamakak tamok apa kay sagmaga sikat dimtem ariribok to'y biyag ko nasimbeng a panuno itan ket naguriro sagmaka ngem agamaka tamuka pagkay sagmaka. Another requested song, Nagguwapo Kan Manong. Yan, may sama na po nga balse, kalpasan na po nga rineribok da. Di bali ka no apo, nagwapo ka ko na. Yan, so na, dagita po, dagiti, request niyo po. Manse, Nagguwapo Kan Manong. Kumaludip ka man manong, ipaludip mo man, nanaisip mamatan. Pagparangin man, halit mo'y nakapalan, makaamo kay rigna, ibadak kabalasan. Kay tatakder mo, naniyan na nagtaer, nagtaer kan mano, makapapangar baruko. Arapaap na kati, siya sino man asamo, may kaput na lugarin, nagwapo kan manong. Nagwapo ka manong, agat lugit ka pa. Agat lugit ka man, umbisen ka man, di mo ka di paida. Nagwapo ka manong, imamartag ka man, intaliyaw mo man, hanaan mo arupa. Amo ka di, ludi ka makita, ludi ka makita, mas na ay to'y rin na. Al-ali mo neti, rurut ko ken gura, nuwada imnas, ngayon ka kasarsarita. Naagpapada na pulaw ang ibig mo. Mangal-alino at iba-iba ang puso. Mariribukan pa'y ulit ang mundo. Luwing-luwing kanuha madlamot yatinay mo. Nakuha ko kang manong kumaludip ka man.
Kumaludip ka man.
Umisip ka man, di mo ka ipahiga. Nakuha ko kan manong kumigmat ka man.
Kumigmat ka man.
Italayaw mo man, hanaan mo arupa.
Kain-kain kalaygip, nagitiyon-noy kung ngayon kaaklunin. Kain pagarop, mun sa abareng-bareng, hulbod na lilaw, panangirurumit. Nairot di kayag kapibag, bakit nasumipngat, naisnikan na panagununoy ko. Di ka pa'y dinggin, amin na panagutikot ko. Di ka pa'y lalaisin, habang ang idadanas pa nang ilulungin. Anya't gusto'y madinggin, ang makabukayan day takaasim. Pakayangam, tapnot, hayat mo't pasudyin. Nagpiyagap, asin na talingin-ngin. Trikarayo, lain-lain kalaygip, dagitiyon-noy kung aking kaaklunin. Kain pagarong, mun sa abareng-bareng, pulbod na lilaw, panangirurumit. Nairot akariken sa patakawang patien, naisni ka na panagununoy ko. Di ka pa'y dinggin, amin na parang butikot ko. Di ka pa'y lalaisin, habang ang idadanas pa nang ilulubin. Nairot akariken sa patakawang patien, naisni ka na parang gununoy ko. Di ka pa'y dinggin, amin na parang butikot ko. Di ka pa'y lalaisin, habang ang idadanas pa nang ilulungin.
Yan, so 8:22 na po aging gana kam lang ti alas 9. Yan, so may sama ta po nga chat-chat, tas sumalaman na po ti mayat ken madia po.
Ibanda na di dyan mga madam.
Munggaro danti. Baka
Baka
pecho
tatire ko si ma'am.
sala.
Ako baka datira question ta mga madam.
Okay, so may sama po nga chat-chat. Sumala amin na po nga maya. Once again, we are the Sweetland Band, Mr. Narve Dasalia, Mr. and Mrs. Tornadillo. Woo!
Angelina, baby, please be baby mine. Angelina, do you cha-cha? Forget about the time, so you never cross my heart. I ain't the smart, ooh, Angelina. Ready, steady, start. We can touch on the floor. We can touch on the couch. Baby, we can touch on all around my house. We can touch on the night. Touch, I tell you. And to touch on me. I have to say, oh, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina.
Oh, my sweet senorita.
Senorita, senorita.
I bet that you sweat. Angelina, Angelina. Be my senorita. Oh, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina.
Oh, my sweet senorita.
Senorita, senorita.
I guess you see, yes, Angelina, Angelina. Be my senorita. Woo! Angelina, baby, please,
Listen, baby, my
Angelina, do you cha-cha? Forget about the time. Time you never close my heart. Honey, the smart, so Angelina. Ready, steady, start. We can touch on the floor. We can touch on the couch. Baby, we can cha-cha all around my house. We can cha-cha in the night. Cha-cha tells you, hey, to cha-cha me, I have to cha-cha you, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina.
Oh, my sweet senorita.
Senorita, senorita.
I bet that you sweat, Angelina, Angelina. My senorita. Oh, Angelina.
Angelina, Angelina.
Oh, my sweet senorita.
Senorita, senorita.
I guess you see, yes, Angelina, Angelina. Be my senorita. Okay, keep on dancing on this shot, shot, shot.
When marimba rhythm start to play, dance with me, makes me sway. Like the lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway anymore. Like a dance me in the breeze, stay with me, sway with ease. When we dance, you have a way with me, stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have to agitate me. When we sway like a wind,
I got going.
I can hear the sound of violin. Long before it begins. Let me through us, only you know how. Sway is smooth, sway now. Yeah. Other dancers may be on the floor, but my arms will see only you. Only you have to agitate me. When we sway like a wind,
I got going.
I'm going. I can hear the sound of violence long before it begins. The girls only you know how. Sway me slow, sway me now. But because I'm only you know how. Sway me slow, sway me now. Sway me gently till the night is gone. Hey!
Another cha-cha-cha. Sunod na po yung may isang request. Wow! Ayan, James Partner, sige! you till you treat me cruel. You hurt me,
You hurt me, you hurt me,
and you made me cry.
you make me cry.
But if you leave me, I will surely die. Here we go! Darling, there will never be another, cause I love you so.
Cause I love you so.
Don't ever leave me. Say you'll never go.
Nagrat sa akin.
I will always want you for my sweetheart, my darling, my honey. No matter what you do.
No matter what you do.
Oh, Karyo,
Oh, Karyo, oh, Karyo.
nadagdag na buksit mo. Oh, Carol, how about you? Darling, I love you. You treat me good, baby. You hurt me. You made me cry. But if you leave me, I will surely die. Here we go. Darling, there will never be another, cause I love you so.
Cause I love you so.
Don't ever leave me. Say you never go. I will always want you for my sweetheart, my darling, my honey baby. No matter what you do. Oh, Karyo, nagdakal na buksit mo.
Akin ang request sa song, Girls Just Wanna Have Fun.
Okay, request na kita yung mga madam dito na eh. Oh. Sala to, sala.
Yan, so happy watching po and happy 512 viewers. Thank you so much.
Yes! Masabi na po ulit tayo.
Okay,
Thank you
come
so
on
much po.
everybody. Dance for all. Girls Just Wanna Have Fun. Woo! Bulodok man pala ako ng tissue yo.
Sige, sayaw!
Suratan yung request.
Kinistahan natin. Let's go!
Come home in the morning light. The mother says when you gonna leave your lover right. All over there, another virgin and one. And girls don't wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. Yeah. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have fun, girls. Wanna have fun. Yeah. So that's for all of the po. Come on, girls.
Okay, come on, dancing.
Talaga nga, girls just wanna have fun ah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, once again, happy birthday, Mom Loves
Just for
Grimita.
that's right, and it pour my
Sa
heart.
kuryente.
If you feel like and take me away and make it okay, as well I'll behave.
Yeah.
You wanted control, so we waited. I bought out this show. Now I'm waiting. And you give me speed, I do give a shit. Hey yo, and it goes like this. Take me by the time I know you. Kiss me till you drop down, show you all the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that girl. I don't need to try control you. Look into my eyes, I know you are the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that girl. Maybe it's hard when you feel like you're broken is scarred. Nothing feels right, but when you're with me, I'll make you believe that I got a key. Oh! So get on the car, we can ride it wherever you want. Get inside it when you understand. But them simple tears, I'll take it from here. And it goes like this. Think me about the time I know you. Kiss me till you drop down, show you all the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that, girl. I know that you try control you. Look into my eyes, I know you are the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that, girl.
You wanna know how to make me smile? Take control of me just for the night. If I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see this way. So watch and learn. I won't tell you twice. Head to toe, oh baby, rub me right. When I share my secret, you're gonna have to keep it. Nobody else can see that. Hey, 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 hey.
It goes like this. Think me by the time I know you. Cause you could try and ask you. You are the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that, girl. I don't need to try and control you. Look into my eyes, I know you are the moves like that. I got the moves like that. I got the moves like that, girl. Thank you.
Yan. So, thank you so much po. So, another requested song po. Habang ako'y nabubuhay, natinag gamin, so kinitaklat. Yan. Habang ako'y nabubuhay, so may samot apo nga love song. La, idiretso min apo nga kantaan dagiti request yo. Ta eksakton to siguro na apo no alas 9. Yan, habang ako'y nabubuhay, may sapong nga love song, Peace for All. Yan, thank you so much po sa ating mga viewers. Maraming salamat po. Another requested song, Always Remember Us This Way by Lady Gaga, covered by Mrs. Torda Gaga. Ay, charis. Joke lang po. At least napakatawa kayo, di ba? Yan. So, kampay! Yan. Sana all tumatangan. Charis. Ang another requested song, Always Remember Us This Way by Lady Gaga. With Arizona sky burning in your eyes, you look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night. Thank you for poets trying to rhyme. We don't know how to rhyme, but we try. But all I really know, you where I wanna go. The part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah. And I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Oh, 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 so when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Why, when you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Naglaing kamutan.
And another requested song, Kumusta ka aking mahal? Nasa'yo pa ba ang aking kwarta?
Ma'am, pakiko.
Wala naman tayo dyan.
Yun po, ma'am.
Ano, chika mi? Yan, so kantaan mi lang amin apo dagiti request mi tas na kami to agpalpas. Yan, so once again, palakpakan tayo man apo ni Ma'am Luz Bimenda all the way from Kagoshima, Japan. Happy birthday!
Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu, singkamas. Nagimastyad dati lapad na.
Sibuyas, kamatis.
Naimas, nadalapad na. Kuna nasama tayo dyan.
Baka naman.
Kuna nasama tayo dyan, Madam Ap. Dati magayam ni kabatch ko.
Kabas mo nga, mapupukaw. Musikati na pukaw.
Shakti na pukaw. Ang another requested song, Kumusta ka, aking mahal?
Okay, sir. Mapalintay ngayon sa alang taga-tipo palasang ti, sir, na eh.
Yan, kumusta ka? Covered by Sir Narvi Dasalia.
Yang saw. Okay, dance for all. Mga sir, sana yung taga-tipo palasang tinay. Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Aking masal? Sana ay nasa mabuti ka. Ako'y wag mong intindihin. Wish 171. Nakakaraos din mga gabing mapanglawan, dinadaan sa awitin, nalulungkot kong damdamin, naaaliw na rin. Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, Sinja, Sinja. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na kay parang kapiling ka, mahal. Kumusta ka? Alin pa itong gabi, malamig ang simoy ng hangin. Kung mayayakap lamang kita, lamig ay di madadama. Okay, once again on keyboard, Mr. Da! Panaginip ko'y laging ikaw, Sinta. Kahit na dilat yaring mata, kahit na para rin kapiling ka, mahal. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, aking mahal? Ang another requested song, ipaglalaban nyo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo.
Iso ba tayo, ma'am? We know Freddy Aguilar.
Freddy
Aguilar, ma'am. Narbi Aguilar kami, dati kadua amin.
Another requested song. Okay, we'll give you last two songs. Okay, once again, maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita po sa amin. And we are Mr. and Mrs. Torda Sweetland.
And of course, Mr. Narvi Dasalya.
Okay, where's your request? Ipaglalaban po by Freddy.
Yeah, thank you so much po.
Uncle Freddy. Okay, try lang po. Ikaw ang pag-asa,
Sarap.
nasa iyo ang ligaya. Sa piling mo, sinta, yun ang pagdurusa. Madilim na kahapon, di ko naalintana dahil sa'yo, sinta, buhay ko ay nagbago.
Okay, come on everybody, say.
Ano man ang mangyari, di kita iiwan. Ipaglalaban ko ang pag-ibig mo. Ipaglalaban ko hanggang sa dulo ng mundo ang ating pag-ibig, giliw ko. Aanhin ko ang buhay kung hindi ka kapili. Mabuti pang pumanaw kung hindi ka sa akin. Ano man ang mangyari, di kita iiwan. Ipaglalaban ko ang pag-ibig mo. Ipaglalaban ko hanggang sa dulo ng mundo ang ating pag-ibig, giliw ko. Okay, Mr. Torda.
Yan, one of the best keyboardist in the sky. Tugtugal pa mo. Dati ako ti asawa na ingutot. Ingutot. Ay,
Kiske mga rod, kiske mga rod. Ano man ang mangyari, di kita iiwan. Ipaglalaban ko ang pag-ibig mo. Ipaglalaban ko hanggang sa dulo ng mundo ang ating pag-ibig, giliw ko. Arigato. Thank you.
Yan, so dito
Thank you.
mapati last nga request, lason mong halik. Para apo kadagitay makapoison to muna gawin da pala kano apo.
Delikado.
Yan, Lason Mong Halik, requested song. Yan, Lason Mong Halik, requested song. Minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas ang aking pag-ibig. Ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama. Kapag kapiling na kita, nanlalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Nang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mula mga puso na idlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, mag-iwasay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap-hanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Ako'y nagdati-dati, kainit ng liyak. Agad akong nadadarag kapag ikaw ay umakap. Ngayon'y nag-iisa, laging nilalabing, nawala na ang lahat-lahat. Ito'y naging panaginip, ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama. Kapag kapiling na kita, nanlalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig? Na ang akala ko ay langit, nilaro-laro mula mga puso na idlip. Sa yakap mo ay nagayuma, mag-iwasay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap pa rin ang lason Anak, kung sakali, ante, kung sakaling ikaw ay lalayo, dalhin mo na rin pati ang pungan mo. Aje bante? Michael
Jackson.
Michael Pangilinan. At kung sakali J Brothers po. J Brothers
Magayan.
Nalpas kaming ante, ma'am, balik waton. 10,000 nga lapad tulatan. Ma'am Trixie, bagbagakon kanya mo. 1,000 day to yun, ma'am. Pangilinan. Okay, once again, shout out to Madam Maria Ronelyn Valdez and Ma'am Jennifer Lorena Valdez, all the way from Ayanda Apo. Yan. All the way from Taayan nyo kano Apo. Okay. All the way from Qatar, Gayam. Kami gamin sa Qatar, Tarungan. Ay, sorry. Okay, so, pagbigyan ta kayo, Apo, 4,500 pesos, ma'am. Na dati anak niya pagkagatasan mi, ma'am. Meme, kadi joke lang.
Katang diaper.
Kung sakali, kung sakali, ikaw ay lalayo, dalhin mo na rin sa dajay, niya. So, matikunak. Sige. Kung sakali by Michael Pangilinan. Ang kagdanag kuya. Naka-extend kami apo ti 5 minutes. Gimas kan. 500 dati yun, ma'am.
Sumubran.
I think, okay lang ka. Ag-extend pala ito, bagbagitan. Gari kay apo katawan ti signal.
Zombie sa umaga?
Yan. So, dito na po yung request yung kung sakali by Michael Pangilinan. Mamanyawan din. Ayan. Yan. Kung sakali by Michael Pangilinan.
Ko ay sa'yo lamang, hindi magbabago ang isip ko. Unay ang pagtingin, sana'y gayong karindiliw. Kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal, at kung sakali mang tuluyan nang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko, at kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis, maghirap man o maginagpis, pagkasakaling mahal mo pa ako.
Yan, dahil dyan, another 1-hour extension. Thank you so much po.
Hindi ba maunawaan pag-ibig na inalay ko sa iyong tapat, pagkat ako nangangamba sa iyong giliw. At kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal, at kung sakali mang tuluyan kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitis, pinagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ako. Kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal, minamahal. At kung sakali mang tuluyan nang mawala ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko, at kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitis, maghirap man o maginagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ako.
Yan, sa natapos si Michael learns to rock. Kung sakali. Yan, thank you so much, Ma'am Luz. Yan, so palakpakan po natin si Ma'am Luz for the another 1 hour extension. Thank you, Ma'am.
Talagang na kayo perupusan.
Arigato, Ma'am. Arigato extensiones. Espanyol mo tayo.
Papatim to mga kami nagkanta ng Dave.
Yan, so nga pa po ti request yo. Sorry apo, ahami nga mo DJ may isang request yung The Only One by Lionel Richie. Sorry apo Yan. Suktan mi lang na po, pero kanta na matlaan. Stuck on You, para kini sir.
Another was a song by Lionel.
Lionel ba DJ? Lionel. Basta conforme Richie lata.
Another was a song. Once again, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Luz. Isang oras.
Yan, stuck on you. Para po kami kay Boys tayo ni Jai. Yan.
Stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. Guess I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. Stuck on you, been up for too long. I guess it's time for me to come on home. Guess I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. Guess I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stayed. it's time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. I'm stuck on you. I've got this feeling down deep in my soul that I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Might ignite you stay. Tomorrow, and I know just where I'm going. I pack up my troubles and I throw them all away. 'Cause this time, little darling, I'm coming home to stay. On you, I've got this feeling down deep in my soul I just can't lose. 'Cause I'm on my way. Needed a friend, and the way you feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way. Mighty glad you stay.
That's another requested song, Heaven Knows by Orange and Lemons. Mama niya datoy at ang hirap, wino, o kay hirap.
Mahirap talaga.
Bye, ma'am.
At ang
O kay hirap, mahirap magmuba ako.
Yo.
At ang hirap, ma'am, by Angeline Fuentes. At ang hirap, Daddy Gaya mo. Okay po. Yan, Heaven Knows by Orange and Lemons niya, ma'am. Tapos next in line, One Friend. Sige po. I-try mi apo nga kantaan namin dagiti request yun po. I-YouTube ko apo iyon na lang basit apo nila kay GE. Panagtugtog ko na. Kaming ka agtangkan mo tapo ka diretso. Sanak to pala diretsyon. Ay, sorry. Ngayon apo tayo YouTube ko para nga daman ng signal po. When ma'am, kantak lang po dahil ito yung request na. Tapos agsasala tayo apo. Animot lang ka no Mr. Torda mang tugkal apo. Heaven Knows apo tas One Friend tas atay tog sa salamanan tapos kantaan men tumanan apo dagiti request na po. Heaven Knows by Orange and Lemons. There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I billow and cry from this timid gate, and my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost down, swelling as I keep on digging my face in these cold hands of mine. Thank you, Mom. Heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? I'm so tired, I feel like catching for the waves, bringing up all night in this album room that puts me in a trance, where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are like windshields from these fumes I make. Still I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how embittered I am, 'cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought I had the strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? And another requested song, One Friend. Sa titog sa sala ako.
Okay, we will give you another requested song, One Friend. I always thought you were the best. I guess I always will. I always felt that we were blessed, and I feel that way still. Sometimes we took the hard road, but we always saw it through. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Sometimes the world was on our side, sometimes it wasn't fair. Sometimes it gave a helping hand, sometimes we didn't care. 'Cause when we were together, it made the dream come true. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Someone who understands me and knows me inside out, and helps keep me together and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. It knows me inside out, and helps keep me together, and believes without a doubt that I could move a mountain. Someone to tell it to. If I had only one friend left, I wanted to be you. Okay, another was a song, No Si, Balasi, sino ba sila? Ay, tsaka mo nang kanta ito yun?
Okay, so dance for all po.
Okay, pwede na yung sumaya, pwede. Ragadagite. Pansinin ang naninira sa'yo, basta't alam mo lang tama ginagawa mo. Huwag mong isipin, huwag mong dibdibin, kung papatulan mo lalo ka lang aasarin. No si Balasi, sino ba sila? No si Balasi, sino ba sila? Ituloy mo lang, gawin ang gusto mo. Walang mangyayari kung sila'y papansinin mo. Talagang ganyan Wag mo lang patulan, wala lang magawa, kaya sila'y nagkakaganyan. Nosy, Nosy Palasi. Sino ba sila? Nosy, Nosy Palasi. Sino ba sila? Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When the sun is so distant, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. Have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down with on his head. Yesterday and days before, sun is going to rain and sun. I know with that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, to the circle fast and slow. I know it can stop, I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain coming down someday?
Another requested song, Why by Tiggy.
Tigi-tigi.
Nagmangahato request na. Concentrate tayo amin na po tagi request yung yan sa dance for all. Na 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 na. Standing beside you, wishing you always be close to me. And how can I tell you, every night I see you in my dreams. Believe me, don't leave me, I will never let you go. Why? Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come when we'll be drawn together close as one. Together as one. I feel the passion burning deep inside my soul. I know the solution, I know you catch me if I fall. You leave me, don't leave me, I will never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come when we'll be drawn together close as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Oh yeah, together as one. Believe me, don't leave me, I will never let you go. Why do this have to be a fantasy? Let's make our love become reality. Oh, how I pray for the day to come when we'll be drawn together close as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Na 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 na. Together as one. Another requested song, may sapong ay Ilocano, Uncle Berting. Pagsasara nun may apo di kita, kasi nakadaduputian na request. Nung nakasensya po ano medyo nga late, kaya nyo namin ako di kita, muna na nag-request. Para bangon nung agriin, aparang gugot, iti kamote, mangisaan sa agiwayway, itinwangin. Nagangkit ni Uncle Bertie, natari pa doon, itidingwe, pakulit na naskin ang tulade. Ang kanya ng manog, inundulat na asumalo, uri mga sinimait yung budot. Nakaraglagat na, uri at nasakop manit na, at paska't tinuwag, di palakainan na. Rasta ni Uncle Bertie, sa asumang di malebe, dati kaya't na rumangay pa ng biyage. Nung nagpas di raraibin, ang pirong mandi ang gitarit, dati kaya't na rumangay pa ng biyage. Yeah, apay ka para bangon no nagriingin na parang hugog, hindi ka moten, hindi sumapit sa malibog lang ni Uncle Bertie. Kahit na pandimisita dahil napaliwan nagitian na muna hindi hinangalit ipangalit para marinero doktor ken abogada ni Uncle Bertie anak at upagorada si kangay karuma ang bungkat isuna ni Bertie natantay unan maraming din natin amin kadatayan yan, so another kasad song ipadas ko apo daytoy nangato apo daytoy How Could You Say You Love Me. Yan, so titina po di request yung padas ko po. Tapos sumarunan to apo DJ kusilapan ka at ang hirap meet me halfway said love you barangay. You say that you've always been true. Thank you po. Looking in your eyes I see you lie. You're trying hard to hide that there's someone you found and you want me to believe that you still care. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? No, you can't even say that you will stay. How could you say you love me when you would go and leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you. How can you hurt me this way? Everything I knew was loving you. How could you try pretending your love was never ending? No, you can't even say that you will stay. How could you say you love me when you would go and leave me? How could you make me hurt so bad when I have loved you more than anyone can do? Can't believe the pain that I'm feeling now because of loving you. I can't seem to understand how can you love me so unkind. Still you broke my heart despite what I've done. Still my love was not enough, though Thank you, Apo. Thank you po. Guri Uncle, takan-tak pa dito mga request da. Yan, try mi Apo dagiti in request you. Tapno, maragsakan kayo mat-Apo kanyami. Ngayon, pasensyanda kami Apo, dagiti saan mi nga mo. Thank you so much. Yan. So, i-YouTube ko man na po. Yan. I-try ko pa, Said I Love You But I Lied by Michael Bolton. Loves the flame, a fire that burns through wind and rain. Shine your light, this heart of mine, till the end of time. You came to me like the dawn through the night, just shining like the sun. Out of my dreams and into my life, you are the one, you are the one. Said I love you but I lied, 'cause it's more the love I feel inside. Said I love you but I was wrong, 'cause love could never ever feel so strong. Said I love you but I lied. With all my soul I've tried in vain. How can mere words my heart explain these days of heaven, so deep, so true, I found in you. So many reasons, in so many ways, my life need you forever, I need you to stay. You are the one, you are the one. Said I love you but I lied, 'cause it's more the love I feel inside. Said I love you but I was wrong, 'cause love could never ever feel so strong. Said I love you but I lied. but alive. First time ko lang ako kantaan dati. Tapos, Meet Me Halfway. Yan, so itry ko manan apo familiar lang apo dagitoy kang kanta. Tapos, last po di at ang hirap. At ang hirap lata nante. Apang gamin di oras min. Tapos di, unang kal, salamat po di last. Yan, so try ko lang po dati Meet Me Halfway. Tapos noang ko apo nga may taros ko isardeng kontulat tanante. One po. One ma'am, salamat po talaga. Hagdanan. Sino pa po tinag-request to Meet Me Halfway? Ano ma'am? In a line, awan internet po. Aguray lang tay-tay. Aguray lang po. Adoblan tayo. Nag-connect kami ng gawin apo to unag. In a life, isardang atang hirap laktan madi na magkayatan man. Lifetime, meet me halfway. Across the sun. Basta i-comment lang ng namuan. Mamalan na kam to man no next stop no ikantamin ton di meet me halfway ni madam. Yan, at ang hirap. Ang nakisabay di signal mambuan, so nga pasensya. At ang hirap, because of song by Angeline Quinto. Nalagay ng kolorete sa aking mukha para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. Hindi sa'yo pang mga ngiti para di halata, damdamin ko'y pinipigil, sa loob umiiyak, dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At ang higas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa, di ba? Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako rin ang sisisihin? Nabulagan ako na ikaw at ako ay wala na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba Pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba. Wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? San ba ko nagkamali? Di ko maintindihan. Kung sino pang nagmamahal, siya pang naiiwan. Siya pang naiiwan. Ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako ay masaya, kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata, may mahal ka ng iba. Wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Into nagsarap ka, kung sila man ka, ipasulit kuto'y matang ako bitakin ka. Sa kupay panganukin, ipababaan, kastanto parang iparik na. Anabiyagap na awan ka. It's sorry, nandiyan may kari. Napalalong amin ti sakit na, ideal dong abi manaw ka. Sa di ka pa'y pulos kimita. Into nagsarap ka, kung sila man ka, ipasulit tuto'y manak ako bitakin ka. Sa tupay panganukin, ipababa, kastanto parang iparik na. Anabiyagak na awan ka, huwag di kinagpaiswanan na. Mail-iliwaklat na ken ka, bareng no kabailak to nga aramiden na. Hinto nagsalita, kung sila man ka, ipasulit tuto'y manak ako bitakin ka. Sa tupay panganukin, ipababaan, kastanto parang iparin na. Ang nabiyagak nga awan ka. Yan, so ito na pang ating last song. So once again, thank you so much for having us tonight. And we are the Sweetland Band, Mr. Narvi Dasalia. Yan, so palakpakan po natin Sir Narvi Dasalia, ang ating pinakamagaling na tumugtog kaltata ng Arabia po, Mr. Torda and Mrs. Torda. Yan, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Yan, so this is our last song, Salamat, requested song.
Okay, once again, maraming salamat po, Ma'am Los and family, for inviting us tonight. Sana maulay ulit.
And sa ating mga viewers, po, thank you so much.
Sa aming mga viewers, maraming salamat po. Sabay kumatangke nga magbuka. Okay, here we go. Our our final song, Salamat, as requested song.
Yes, once again, thank you so much. Thank you po.
Salamat at tayo. Salamat at may gabing nakalaan sa kaunting kasiyahan.
Yan, thank you so much po.
Salamat at tayo'y nagkasamang muli. Salamat at sa pagpawi ng uhaw ay may darating na araw. Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay na kaibigan kasamang maasahan.
Thank you so much.
Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan.
Thank you so much po sa panakumang kay Apong Mamumakan niya.
Wow! Kahit tamis ng ating samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan, tunay lang kaibigan kasamang maasahan. Salamat at tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan. Salamat, tayo'y may pinagsamahan. Salamat, kaibig ang walang kapantay. Salamat sa
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tako arashi ga Tako arashi ga ukoto mo Tako no marido mo Lobi no shona tatakai no Sobeta no kuno Natatanaeru sobe Sobe wa hitomi to hitomi No komoro ushita o Gareni no nakama Wata sobai buri Sabute mo kakete Yaru so chikara no Choriyo made Chokiyo yo No yakera Mo chigai
Let's vote in.
Yeah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Na tumakdar tayo amin apo. Tumakdar tayo. Takantahan tayo po ni Ma'am Luz Biminda. Okay. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to
Thank you so much for Ma'am Luz and family.
Yan anniversary po nila. And of course, welcome to the Christian world. Sa anak po nila. And happy birthday, Ma'am Luz Biminda, all the way from Kagoshima, Japan. And we are the Sweetland Band, Mr. Narvi Rosalia, and this is Tana Duo. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yan, napan 601 tatay. Thank you po. Arigato gozaimasu, tanagbuya kayo, nakado kami apo ti igadzo.
Dako mamayawid bing ay gado.
Masagig gumtilapad.
Hello, ma'am. Ate Risa Tugas, Ma'am Milita de la Cruz, Ma'am Marisa Ochi, Ma'am Julian Sampaga ng Gina Snooki, Ma'am Ria Gatman. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am Brenda Aquino, Ma'am Leticia Solano, Tita Dali Dungo, Ate Dingle Isay, the wife of Mr. Narvi. Ala, ni kita mani in disabled na taman ni Metan. Nakakakwan. Ala. Ate Daisy Nisco. Ay, domo, arigato. Ay, sige. Taga-Japan po yung client namin, ma'am. Kagoshima, Japan. Ma'am Sheila Belen, Ma'am Sharina Grajedo, Ate Katya Bagain, Ma'am Ronel Kabatan Rigon. Thank you for watching po. Ma'am Ana May Payusalan, Priyanta Kumara, happy watching. Ma'am Nerissa Haduka, Sir Payoyo Alan, Ma'am Candy Somera Kawili, and Sir Melvida Ramos. Sir Amor Ganotisi, thank you so much. Ma'am Gigi. Yan, siya doon apot ako. Ito po kon. Sorry, apot. Bigit yan ko na shout out. Ninong Ador. Ay, ako. Sige po, bye-bye. Tita FJ Bagasol. Ninong Ador, nagpas kami. Ma'am Shirley Tulangko. Sige po, bye-bye.